Hello everybody. On my Ram 1500 pickup truck, when pulling away from a stop, I could hear and feel a crunching sound coming from my driver's side front wheel. After seeking some advice and diagnosis, it turns out that this is caused by one or both rear wheel ABS sensors being faulty. So I ordered 2 new sensors for $18 each and replaced them both. It's a straightforward job. This is a rear wheel ABS sensor on my 2012 Ram 1500. First, it's a case of undoing the electrical connection, which is pulling back this red tab, and then you just simply push down the inner tab underneath the red one, pull the connection off, undo this 8mm bolt, and back it off. All the way. So it looks like that. And then just wiggle it out. Like that. And then put the new one in. And it's just that simple. That's it bolted back on, and you can see how the connector is now with the red lock in place. I hope this helps to show you how straightforward it is to replace the rear wheel ABS sensors, and for my situation, it cleared up the problem entirely. I hope it's been helpful. Thank you.